Thank you very much for showing an interest in our Level 3 Applied Business qualification. I'm Mr Gary Davis, Head of Business Studies at Ysgol Bryn Tawe. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the subject and discuss the course content. It is taught 50-50 here in Bryn Tawe and in Goir. Mrs Annette Tilson is our colleague in Goir. The course is split into 50% coursework and 50% examination. We find that this format works very well for our pupils. They enjoy the coursework element and consistently perform well in these units. This will be the fourth year the course will have been running at the schools, and every year we have achieved a 100% pass rate of A star to C at A level. It has become a very popular course with numbers growing year on year, which is very exciting. A recent report by Donaldson, who was commissioned by the Welsh Government to review the curriculum in Wales, highlighted the need to develop entrepreneurial skills. It is a course that employees favour as it shows an understanding of the business environment and the working world. It is a course that complements almost any other subject at A level. The course is branded as a vocational course, but don't worry and be put off by the name. It is called this because there is a 50% content of coursework. It is an A level and level 3 qualification and scores the same ICAS points as every other A level. We aim to develop a range of skills, both practical and academic, through applied learning that will be useful in the workplace and for future learning. We aim to motivate learners through purposeful tasks set in a real context. The course supports access to higher education degrees such as marketing, management, business, digital communication, international business, finance, retail, business finance, accountancy. Here is a list of possible career choices. There are so many choices when it comes to business. If you did decide to proceed with business at degree level, it opens so many doors. You can choose to specialise in many different fields. Boosting your knowledge within the world of business can help you kickstart your dream career, whether you would love to set up your own business, work in marketing, human resources, or become a business manager. Unit 1 is 25% and is an examination. Topics included in this unit are how organisations function within the environment, how organisations function internally, and contribution of effective workforce towards achieving goals. Unit 2 is also 25% and is coursework. Here we compare and contrast one local business and one national business. We look at what types of market they operate in, we examine what marketing strategies they use and the different types of customers they have. The local business we use is Tea Tower in Swansea. We have built an excellent relationship with the business and spend the day visiting the centre, attending lectures and completing group work tasks in order to write up their report for their coursework. Pupils then choose to study a national company, and previous examples include Tesco, John Lewis and Apple, to name but a few. Unit 3 is also 25% and is an examination. Topics included in this unit are how businesses use information to formulate suitable strategies, different techniques to aid decision making, and marketing. Unit 4 is 25% and is coursework. Here the pupils write a business plan and they use a template from a bank, which in turn is an extremely realistic exercise. So much so that a previous pupil took the A-level business plan and turned it into a reality. Here is the company Blackbird Vodka currently being sold. They use what they had learnt in the class to help them on their exciting new journey. The pupils can also use this business plan for their employment and enterprise unit for the Welsh BAC. The department uses the virtual learning environment on our hub platform. Here you will have access to all class notes, videos, presentations, quizzes, past papers and mark schemes. We encourage our pupils to immerse themselves as much as possible in the subject. We will post articles for them to read, links to TED Talks, seminars and recommend TV and films to watch. We also ask them to download the BBC app on their smartphone and encourage them to read the business section weekly. If for any reason pupils cannot attend lessons, they can rest assured that everything will be available to them on our hub site. Please feel free to email us if you have any questions, and I thank you again for showing an interest in the subject and taking the time to view this presentation. Hwyl, diolch.